In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the ear cushions and the ear pad on Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones. The entire process should just take about 2 minutes, and you should only need one tool, which is a flat tip pry tool. So let's get started. To start off, you'll want to just get the pry tool underneath the cushion here, in between the frame and the cushion, and just put a gentle amount of pressure. There are several places where the plastic snaps into the frame from the back of this cushion, so we're just trying to gently work it to where those will snap off. And once they're off, you're done with that. My issue was with this pad. It was a little bit discolored, it was a little gross. I have extra pads, so I'm just going to replace them, but you can also just wash these with soapy water and let them dry, and then reinstall them on your headphones. And also with this mesh on the cushion, you can see how some skin oils have built up over time, and these can be washed as well, but I also have a replacement, so I'm just going to install the replacement cushions. Once you have your replacement pads and replacement cushions, you're ready to go ahead and install them. You'll want to line up the flat part with the bottom here where it's flat, and the part that juts out here with that little section on the edge on both sides. And to install the pads, it's fairly straightforward. You'll notice at the top of the frame you have a flat section here and then a circle where the pad will snap in. You have a flat section here and a circle. On the other side you just have this little flat section poking out. So that's how you know which way's up and which way's down. So we'll line them up, and you'll just put gentle pressure to snap all these pieces of plastic into the frame. Once both cushions are replaced, I would just give a gentle tug on each side and make sure it's in there well so they don't fall out unexpectedly. And then your replacement is complete. I hope this video was helpful, and best of luck.